Welcome to DLI Training, your one-stop destination for building construction and civil training excellence. As a nationally recognized and authorized training center, we're dedicated to providing everything you need to kickstart or advance your career in the civil and construction industry. From short courses to comprehensive qualification programs, we've got you covered. Under our short courses, we offer a wide range of essential skills training, including forklift, asbestos, working safely at heights, traffic control, telehandler, EWP over and under 11 meters, confined space, first aid and CPR courses, white card, gas test atmosphere, first attack firefighting training, and more. Our civil construction courses provide in-depth training in areas such as skid steer operation training, articulated haul truck, excavator operator training, and front-end loader training. And for those looking to advance their career with recognized qualifications, we offer Diploma and Certificate 4 courses in construction and building, along with specialized programs like the Demolition Supervisor course, carpentry, swimming pool, painting and decorating. Join us at DLI Training and take the next step into your career in the building and construction industry. Learn with the best to make the best of your career. DLI Training, building futures one student at a time.